Welcome to the web development. So in the last video, as we have discussed how to download and install OBS Studio on your PC or laptop. In this video, we are gonna discuss exactly how to record with OBS Studio. We will be discussing how to record and stream on your PC or laptop screen, and this will be much more in detail. So stay tuned in the video and follow all the steps. So we are now in the OBS screen, and here we can see a scene section. But if you don't see the scene section, then you need to create the scene section from here. Since we already have the scene section preloaded, so we're not gonna create it. And this is the source panel. You need to select what you want to record from here, and there are many options over here. The first is window capture, video capture device, text, scene, media source, image slideshow, image, game capture if you want to stream your game, display capture, color source, browser, audio output capture, audio input capture, and application audio capture. Now we are going to select the display capture since we want to record our PC or laptop screen. Now we are going to create a new display capture and click on OK. But make sure to click on the make source visible icon. Now we can see the properties for display capture. Here we have two options, capture method and display. Now for the capture method, I will recommend you to choose automatic. Now since I am using dual display, so I have been given two options. But if you are using one display, then you can choose accordingly. Now if you want your cursor to be seen on the video, then you can simply tick on the capture cursor icon. But if you don't want your cursor to be seen on the video, simply untick the box. Now you can see my screen is being shown on the preview box. So now we are gonna add audio source. In the audio source section, we have two primary options, audio input capture and audio output capture. So audio input capture is basically the sound which is being generated from a mic or an aux into the computer. And audio output capture is basically the sound which is coming out from the computer. For making this video, I am basically recording through a mic. That's why I will be choosing audio input capture. In the audio input capture option, I'm gonna select add existing and then select mic or aux. Now we can clearly see our mic aux signal is being shown. Now in the control panel, we have start streaming, start recording, start virtual camera, studio mode, settings and exit option. Before going into the start recording option, we're gonna look into the settings option for a little bit. Here is the general setting page where you can change your language and also the theme. Here is the stream setting where you can choose your streaming platform, and also you can connect your account using the stream key. And here is the output settings where you can choose your audio and video bitrate and choose the output path. Now you can choose the recording quality where you can choose according to your preference. Now you can choose the file format where you can choose different kinds of file format according to your preference. And there are other options also like video encoder, audio encoder and audio track selection. Before selecting the recording format, please go through the warning section. Here is the audio settings where you can select the sample rate, channels and also the audio device settings. And then we will save our changes, and from here we will show you how to record your screen. So now you can see we have started our recording. Now we can see our recording has been saved to this path. So we will go to this path and check whether our video is working or not. So this is our recorded video, and now we will try to open it. So now we can see our video is working perfectly, and you can see this is a full HD video with no watermark. So this is how you can try to record your PC screen with OBS Studio. For more such tech related videos, subscribe to the web development. Thank you for watching.